Hiya, you beautiful lot. My name's Purple, and this is the Cotch.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and if you hit the little bell, you can be in the know about the Cotch. Yep, we have a rain day. I sit under me tarpaulin, just tied to the tree, with all me bits, and I just sit here and enjoy. Should we take a walk? Hey, beautiful lot. Let's go for it. Right, so what's happened is we've had a lot of rain, and judging by this flat bit here, the rain and the river has come all the way through here. Now, that could be because of the dam. She is raging. So yeah, very boggy. And the water come rushing through here. But at least I can see where I've got to clear. If anybody feels like giving me a hand, the next big mission on this side is to clear all the dirt away from these trees and help them breathe. Because what's happening is all the mud behind it is splitting it all apart and causing it stress. So once we've done that, we should be able to create a few benches out of the soil. So we step in here, there's a couple of these long big branches, and if they're cleared right, we can use them as benches and little seating areas. So, but yeah, see, this bit's up nice and high, so there isn't any flooding coming here. Everything's still at a decent bit. Yeah, maybe I just need a load of dirt, build up the level. Let's have a look here. And same with these trees as well. I want to clear all the dirt from around them, just help them breathe. But yeah, oh, look at them mushrooms. They look real cool. Well, and that, I believe, is the landowner. He's a good old boy. And you know, he was a very reasonable man back in the day, and he let people bring their motorbikes down here. You know, and there's always a few people that always have to take the Michael, and they were going over his crops, so he had to shut it all down, and then this place fell into disrepair. And only a certain few people would come down until until now, I suppose. But yeah, he's given me a little bit of permission. He's let me do what I want on this side, but on the other side he says he'd rather not, you know, no structures. And to be honest, I absolutely agree with the man. I don't even like the deck being there. You know, with the way that I can land carve everything here, you know, I really don't need a deck. It's just too man-made. I mean, yeah, it'd look epic once, if it was all finished, and I could probably put a load of logs along the front to kind of finish it off a bit. But you know, why would I do that much effort when it isn't suiting the place? Our fire pit caved in, but look at them colours. Look at them colours. That is awesome. And what this is iron rock. There's so much iron in there. So, like I said, what happened a long time ago is there was old iron mines all over this place, and there used to be a railway line that used to run up straight up into the hill. Now, apparently across the road there's an old railway tunnel, and it's been covered in by so much dirt, and all that's left is a big funnel at the top where all the steam engine smoke used to, you know, let up, so it didn't cause monoxide poisoning to, you know, the engineers. It was awesome. So yeah, there's so much iron. I'll see if I can find you a bit. Let's have a look. It's usually absolutely everywhere. In sod's law, I can't bloody find any. I think that's it. That's the stuff. And that is what they used to get out. And that there is iron. That's the good stuff. You'll find it all over here if you look right. That's it. It's always got an odd shape because of the metals. Awesomes. Absolutely awesomes. Anyway, let's take a little walk up. Now, co-creator, he's managed to widen this, and it's so much better. New seating area coming. Now that is deep. The first half, this bit here, that'll probably come up to your hips, but that bit there, that'll go up to your shoulders. It's beautiful swimming length. Do a couple of laps of that quite easily. Co-creator number 5, good old Rog. Right, so you've got to remember as well, this is the level of the river that it should be once the gates are opened further upstream. Yeah, so you've got to keep an eye on that. So your step is absolutely epic. I love it. Yeah. But I'd leave that step there and then continue this bit, just like you've been doing. And eventually we'll work our way down, and yeah, we'll go in up here and then straight up to a new area. Now over the side is the fox's den. It's just beautiful. It's so overgrown, and the rule of this year is no one's going down there. I don't want anyone down there. Leave the fox and her cubs alone. Do you know what I mean? And they need a little helping hand, and they don't bother no one. They're more scavengers than anything. But yeah, All part of balance. That's awesome. Anyway, that will have to do for now. I don't think we're going to be doing much playing today, I'm afraid. I mean, if you look, this. Yeah, that's it's not good. So yeah, I'm gonna have myself a carton of apple juice and sit down in my chair and watch the river a little bit more. And now next week is looking to be a real hot weekend. 28 degrees, gonna have it large. So hopefully then we should be able to get some real progression going. So yeah, have an epic weekend. Just try and help one another. Unite. There's no need for all this fighting each other. Should love one another. Love thy neighbour. And best place to do that is places like this. So that's enough from me today at the Cotch. I'm going to take my little perch and call it a day. If you don't mind me. Peace, love, light. Keep the unity going.